How to use coins on Lazada. Here's how it works. You want to load up the Lazada app, and at the top you will see earn coins. You want to click on that option, and right here it's going to take us to the coins page. If you don't see it, you can click on account found in the bottom right corner and you will see coins. Click on coins, and here you will be able to see your total amount of coins which you currently have. And how can we use them? Right here you will see some items which you can purchase with your coins, and it's going to cost us 0 in this case. So for example, let's say that we want to purchase this item, and it's going to give us this option, buy now, 0 shipping fee. And again, you want to click on buy now. Right here it is going to show us the discount, and it's going to automatically apply the coins for us, and you will be getting this item for completely free. And that's how you use your coins in Lazada. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.